Welcome to First Man Satellite. Look at this machine. It's a satellite finder, Gtmedia V8 finder. You see, it's a Gtmedia digital satellite finder V73 HD. As you can see, that V73 HD. Gtmedia V8 finder. You see, I'm turning this finder on. Let's see the problem with this finder. Look at it. This is how it displays. Only this indicators, power and 22K and 1318V lock. You see, only these indicators shows, nothing else. So I open it and check the voltages, and signal voltage is okay. All the voltages reading very well, but still the screen is not coming. I've changed the flash IC. As you can see, this is the flash IC. I have changed it, and you can see this is the main CPU. This is the main CPU. It is Ali chipset M3S10. Ali chipset M3S10, and this is the flash IC. I've changed the flash IC, but still the problem persists. Still like that. I'm turning it off. I'm turning it on again. You see, still like that. Now I've come to the conclusion that the CPU is not healthy. The problem is this Ali chipset CPU, Ali M3S10. This is the problem. It is not functioning as it's supposed to do. So, and this CPU is not available. This is the problem now. It's not available. So how are we going to solve this problem? It's a problem indeed. But you can see I have a decoder here. This is a master original. You can see M beside the big M, that master. It is telling you that it is not the master from the red media. This is a copy, master copy. Yeah, you see this decoder's chipset. This, let me put this finder off. You see this decoder's chipset. This is the CPU of this decoder, and you can see it is also Ali M3S10. You can see it's Ali M3S10. So because my finder CPU is not working, I've decided to remove this CPU of this decoder and put it on the finders and see whether I will be successful or not. Welcome to First Man Satellite. So this is what I'm coming to do now. I'm coming to remove this CPU because this is also Ali M3S10. Ali M3S10, and this too is Ali M3S10. So I'm coming to remove this and replace it. Find this CPU. Welcome to First Man Satellite. Please subscribe and share my channel. You see now, you see I have applied my blower on this, and I'm removing this CPU, as you can see. Yes, because I'm coming to use it for my finder and see the result. You see, yeah. So let me put this one aside, and now I'm coming to remove this one too, then replace it with this early CPU. Welcome to First Man Satellite. Welcome to First Man Satellite once again. You see, for now, you can see the early chipset. That's the M3S10. Yeah. For now, I've used my brower on it, and therefore I'm removing it. You can see I've removed the CPU. So let me put it here. So I'm coming to replace it with my decoder's CPU. As you can see, it's the same M3. It's the same M3. You see, yeah. So I'm coming to use my brower on it again. Please, when setting this, make sure you are setting it well, because if you do not set it very well, it's going to give you a problem. So I'm coming to use my brower on it and see the result, whether I will be successful or not. Welcome to First Man Satellite. Please subscribe and share my channel. You can see now, you see I have replaced it with the decoder's CPU, as you can see. So now I'm coming to fix the cable. I'm coming to fix the cable and then turn it on and see whether I'm successful or not. Welcome to First Man Satellite. Please subscribe and share my channel. So now I'm turning it on and see whether I'm successful or not. Welcome to First Man Satellite. Please subscribe and share my channel. Let's see whether I'm successful or not. You can see the Gtmedia is on. Let's see whether it will open or not. Good. You see, I'm successful, though it's giving me a factory test message. It's giving me a factory test message. So even this is telling me that the problem was the CPU, because when I was using its own CPU, it wasn't writing at all, nothing appearing on the screen. But you see, now let me turn it off again and turn it on and see. I'm turning it on and see. Yeah, Gtmedia V8 Finder, Gtmedia. Good. You say, welcome to First Man Satellite. Please subscribe and share my channel. So at times you can sacrifice your inferior decoders or inferior for the important ones. As you see, CPU can be changed if you get the correct the same CPU. It can work with it. Welcome to First Man. Don't want my video to be too long. Welcome to First Man. Please subscribe and share my channel.